Welcome to Reviify. Watch this video to find out how to import reviews from AliExpress to your Shopify store in just a few steps. It's quick and easy. To install Reviify, go to Apps and visit the Shopify App Store. Type Reviify in the search box, choose the app, and add it. To finish installation of the Reviify app, click the Install button. Welcome to Reviify Dashboard. We can start importing reviews. First of all, you have to activate the Reviews widget. Click on Fix It and it will lead you to General Settings. At General Settings, first activate the Review widget. Then, you adjust all the options that you want. Stars, pictures, and content options, set max number of reviews per page, skip to import reviews with different keywords, for example, AliExpress, choose gender of the reviewer and which reviews you want to auto-publish. After adjusting general settings, click Save. Well done! On the product page, you can see that gray stars have appeared. It means that you have only activated the widget, but you haven't imported any reviews for that specific product. Now, go to the Reviews tab, find the product you want to import reviews for, and click the Import Reviews button. Copy the URL of the product from AliExpress and then paste it into the box and click the Import Reviews button. You can see that reviews are imported and visible in your dashboard. That's it, you did it! Yellow stars under the product title on the product page are now visible, as well as the reviews in the bottom of the page. It wasn't so hard, right? Just as we said, quick and easy. See you in another video.